Good evening to all of you, and I am Saroj Khatri, and today this video is going to be very fruitful to all of you. And these informations, sentences I have got collected from my journey, from my notebooks, which I prepared to learn English, and that's what I am going to share with all of you. Today I will tell you 5 sentences which you can include in your speaking skills and you can level up your speaking very well. So I am not a teacher, as I always tell. I am just a learner, just like all of you. But whatever I have learned in my speaking journey, I am just sharing with all of you. Maybe these kind of sentences will help in your speaking way and will be fruitful to all of you. So if you like these sentences, please include in your speaking. If you do not like, please ignore at all. So let's begin. First sentence I am telling you, that is come what may. Come what may, it means you have very strong determination, very strong, and whatever may happen, anything, anybody, if he is good, pleased to you or not, anything may happen, but you are going to do that work. So in that situation you can use come what may. I will go to cinema today. Come what may, I will go to play cricket. Come what may, I am going to be a fluent speaker of English language. Come what may, I will go to meet him. Come what may, I will do my task today. So you can include this sentence in your speaking and you can level up your English. I am also trying. You please also include in your speaking if you like this sentence. I am repeating it. Come what may, it shows very strong determination and you do not care about any consequences, anybody, any situation, nothing you are worried about. You are just determined and fully dedicated towards your goal, towards your task, towards your action, and you are going to do that. Then you can say come what may. Okay, now let's go to the another sentence, that is would you mind action plus ing. I always say action, but it is verb. I am habitual of saying action. Would you mind verb plus ing. This kind of sentence you can include in your speaking when you want to show good respect towards others, towards a senior and or any officer is there. Then you want to ask anything, any question, you are asking for a favor, then you can frame your sentence in that way. Would you mind telling me your good name, please? So in that sentence you are actually asking about the name, but it shows respect towards that senior or elder and you are just expressing your questions in a polite manner. It can be anybody, any senior, any officer, any prominent personality of society. You can put your question very respectfully and you can ask anything, whatever you want to ask. No need to be shy, hesitate at all. You just use this method and you can ask any question. Would you mind telling me your good name, please? Would you mind doing me a favor, please? Would you mind telling me the way of station? Would you mind signing here? Would you mind coming here? Would you mind asking to me? No, this is not good. Would you mind giving me this pen, please? Like that you can frame any sentence, but you can use these sentences when you want to show respect towards the frontier person. Then you can apply this sentence in that situation. And I hope this is clear now. Now let's go to another sentence, that is don't take me otherwise. don't take me otherwise. Yes, my dear. Many times it happens that we said something to another, and after that, we realized that we have said something bad and it is hurting someone feelings. So in that situation we can say that please don't take me otherwise, my intention was not to hurt you. प्लीज़ मुझे गलत मत समझो, मेरा इरादा आपको हर्ट करने का नहीं था. प्लीज़ डोंट टेक मी अदरवाइज, माई इंटेंशन वॉज जस्ट टू हेल्प यू. Please don't take me otherwise. My intention was just to show you the right path. Please don't take me otherwise. I am not going to help you in this matter. So you can just easily say that मुझे गलत मत समझो. Next you can frame any sentence. Please don't take me otherwise. Please don't take me otherwise, that is the fixed sentence you can use, and you can include anywhere in your speaking wherever you feel requirement. Now let's go to another sentence, that is just like that. Just like that means ऐसे ही. Many times it happens that we make call to any known to person and we do not have any kind of work and any logic is there, but we make call. Then we can say, I have called you just like that. I am sitting here just like that. I am watching TV just like that. I am scrolling phone just like that. I am talking to you just like that. I am laughing just like that. Why you are crying? I am crying just like that. ऐसे ही. So when you are not sure about any option, any priority, then you can say that just like that. बस ऐसे ही. Yeah, and one more sentence I had in my mind which I was supposed to deliver to share with all of you. That was just give me a moment. Yeah, now I have got I have seen in my notebook. The last sentence is I am not particular about this. That is very helpful sentence, and you can include it in your speaking skills anywhere wherever you require, that you are not giving preference to any special thing, any one thing. For example, if you are visiting someone's house and someone asks to you that what would you like to have in dinner, then you can simply answer, I am not particular about dinner, I can eat anything. I am not particular about dinner, anything. It means you do not have any special preference for anything. You have flexibility to adjust in every situation. Let's have another example. If anybody asks to you which color suits you, which kind of dress you want, then you can easily reply, I am not particular about it. Everything is good for me. I can wear any kind of dress. I can wear any color of dress. So you can just say, I am not particular about this. And for your daily routine also, if anybody asks to you, what do you do at your home? If you do not have any specific schedule, then you can easily say, I'm not particular about my schedule. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I do that. Whatever you do, you can describe. But in the starting of your answer, you can include, I am not particular about my schedule. So like that, you can level up your speaking skills. And I usually use these sentences in my speaking. Yes, I do. And I include these kind of sentences in my speaking. And I just keep on searching these things through Hollywood movies. I am fond of watching Hollywood movies, and I just keep on watching podcast also in English language, and I just keep on enriching my knowledge of English language. And whatever I learn in my journey, I try to implement it in my speaking skills. And I just request all of you that try to use these sentences in your speaking. Maybe these sentences will be very helpful to you. And if you like this video, if you like any information, anything in this video, please comment and like and subscribe my channel. And I will be in front of you in my next video, and I will keep sharing my journey of speaking English with all of you. So keep watching me, and please give me honest feedback if anybody has. And I am very much determined to work upon my weaknesses and upon my upon my mistakes, and I am gonna fix my all mistakes, my all weaknesses, because ultimately my goal is also same as you have, that is becoming a very fluent and confident speaker. So keep watching me and keep speaking English. Keep speaking English, because ultimately, eventually, speaking is must. Without speaking, everything will be only in fantasy that we are going to be like that and like that. It's not going to be in reality. So if we want to turn our dreams into reality, we have to put efforts for that, and we have to speak in English. No matter you are making mistakes, you are not getting good progress in English language, but remember me, if you are taking at least one step every day, you are moving ahead, you are progressing. Someday you can progress very good, some another day you do not have such kind of atmosphere that you can put very much efforts. So that's quite enough, but don't stuck anywhere. Try to give your efforts every day, and that's what I do. So keep watching me, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.